Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, and I'm totally rejuvenated after my Bangalore trip. I'll tell you about that. But let's focus on our 5 power breaths first. These breaths in the morning will do magic, in your life. So get ready. Sit straight, spine straight, and close your eyes. Take the awareness on your breath. Observe your breath going in and coming out. Get ready. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Take the awareness back on your breath. Be with your breath. On the count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please open your eyes slowly. How many of you like this morning simple 5 breaths, guys? It's extremely simple one. But then this one gives a lot of, a good start to your day. And this, it's very important for you to start in a day. In fact, when I was traveling to Bangalore now, so there's a lot of stuff in Bangalore, but let's focus on the market first, then we'll come to the Bangalore. Let's look at the market. Very volatile market, guys. Volatility, see, look at the volatility of the market. whenever you will have a flag pattern getting formed, you will see a lot of volatility in the market, up, down, because what is the trend getting formed? See here, the trend that is getting formed in the market is this. This is the trend getting formed in the market. This is the, it is more of a flag pattern. See here, more of a flag pattern that we are looking at here around this place. So a consolidation. So according to this pattern, this is a continuation pattern. According to this, market should move up, not down. Continuation pattern is a pause and the continuation of the same pattern. So this pattern says market is likely to move up. But since there's a war going on, valuations are very expensive. So valuation says it should go down. Pattern says it should go up. So yeah, go with the flow. I think that's much, much better. Go with the flow. And yesterday we could book good profits in our swing trades. And even when I'm traveling, so trading keeps on happening. Now trading is on the mobile phones. But this month, finally, I will finish positive, not negative. In between, I was scared if I'll have a losing month. But so how did you manage to do it? मैंने शिव की आराधना करी. मैं पर्वत पे गया और मैंने एक टांग पे खड़े होके एक दिन तक आराधना करी. तो उससे शिव जी ने मुझे प्रोटेक्ट किया और मेरा महीना लॉस में नहीं गया. So this, if your strategies are not working, you can do that. See here, I had these change of leg yesterday in my hedge, and I had 4 straight losing days, then 2 winning days now. So this month is still a 1,84,000, 18% return. So that's what I'm looking. So I think the best strategy right now is to go with the flow. I'll not have any of that one. Me and Ankur, we are working on some breakout strategies, and Ankur had given me 1 or 2 bullets of these are the breakouts, but I'll have a look at them once the market opens. So I have no trade. My trade for the moment is no trade. Since right now there are a lot of factors, I'll see in the morning after a gap up in the market, where does it go? Where does it move on the other side? The Bangalore trip was very good, guys. So here, that is with Abraham. So Salil picked me up, Salil Saxena. So I was so, so that is with Abraham. Abraham is an old student of mine from Bangalore, a thorough gentleman, and that's in Marriott. I was staying in Marriott. So most of the meetings and the lunch and dinner happened, but I also went out. So then, this is Praveen Mishra, and Praveen, I like Praveen so much. Praveen is now part of Pathfinders team. He has joined Pathfinders. नहीं उसने join नहीं किया, मैंने जबरदस्ती join करवा लिया. So that is the Marriott kitchen that we had, and this is Prerna and Sunita. So 2 of my very good women traders, and Prerna had thrown a party for me, and that was real fun. So that's her house. And this is Salil here. Salil was the one, who picked me up from the airport, and it was fun to be with him. And that's the sushi we were having in a nice place. It's a Japanese restaurant, in this Vijayamalaya Mall, UV Mall. So that was a good one. I think Shiro was the name. Shiro naam tha na, iska Salil? There was Shiro, I think we had. It was in Shiro, we were there. That's old one. That's Dubai. Okay, that's Anko. That's old one. There's another one, in my place in Marriott. That's one more trader. So that's another one. So, this was fun. This is old one. This is Saurabh here. So that was my मेन एंड मुझे जो सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया ना, मुझे मैरियट में आया ना इसमें आया, मुझे जो सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया वो बताता हूँ कहाँ आया. दैट वॉज विथ माई क्लोज फ्रेंड. ये मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. सी, दिस इज व्हाट आई लाइक. ये बैंगलोर का आंध्रा फूड. आई थिंक एनी डे आई विल, यू नो, वो जो मैरियट की थाली आती है, मैरियट का जो बुफे आता है, वो कुछ 3,500 रुपए का आता है. ये 242 रुपए की थाली है. एनी डे आई विल गो फॉर दिस वन. Any day I'll go for this one. So that was fantastic. You should all try this restaurant. Look at me and Gautam, very close friend of mine. So वो कहाँ लेके चलो सर आपको, you know, तो मैं कहा यार कोई ऑथेंटिक खाते, बोले फिर मैं आपको आंध्र की थाली खिलाता हूँ. How many have you eaten this thali in Bangalore? I think it's a place called Nagarjun. Nagarjun. Nagarjun में है. It's a place called Nagarjun. और सच्चे दोस्त क्या होते हैं. बैंगलोर गया, 542 रुपए का बिल आया, और बोलते हैं सर आप ही पे कर दो, यू नो, नहीं तो शादी भी नहीं हुई होती. That's what the good friends are about. We had fun, मजा आया. So Bangalore was absolutely a thrilling place. I had a good walk in the Cuban Park. Lovely thing that they have there. Great guys. So your questions, your queries. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and with next 2 years, I'm going to go and meet my traders in various cities. So the next city on the agenda is Coimbatore. So I'm going to make a list of traders I'll meet. I met about 8 traders this time. Every time I go in a city, one-to-one meetings with my traders over food. Okay, so छुट्टी खत्म, काम शुरू, and let's check out market sideways. So I'll have a look at the market. I'm running a few directional neutral trades, a strategy for my portfolio, and a few hedge trades I'm running. They say you are welcome near रिलायंस. ओके, रिलायंस की बात मत करो. रिलायंस ने हमारी सुनी नहीं. मुकेश भाई ने वापस मेरे पैसे ले लिए. Our stop loss was hurt, but we made good money in Nifty and Bank Nifty yesterday in a swing club. I booked 36,000 in Nifty and about 37,000 in Bank Nifty. Okay, Reliance. कुलदीप बोल रहे वेरी गुड सर, थाली माउथ वाटरिंग. क्या थाली है कुलदीप. चंचल पूरा सो भूख लग गई. That was fine. Sandeepan says, sir, I'm also based in Bangalore. Bangalore, I've got 1,800 students. So many people from Bangalore. Maruti, PFC. So this was Reliance. Reliance is on a breakout. So Reliance is on a breakout, and you might see Reliance moving up almost to 2,700. So volume breakout that we are checking out in Reliance. And Ankur, just a minute. Ankur had talked about VIP Industries. Is another stock we were checking. He was checking, not me. VIP Industries, said that might be also on the verge of a breakout. So that's a VIP Industry, but the breakout has happened, Ankur, yesterday on that. So very nice. See here, we already had a clear-cut breakout on VIP Industries here. So a lot of breakouts happening on this one. So today, don't be in a hurry to go short. The market has a very firm continuation pattern. Breakouts are happening. Money is flowing into our markets. Now, if I look at Maruti, You guys wanted to see Maruti. Maruti, no, not very strong. Maruti will still be a candidate for short. No strength in Maruti. So Maruti is the short candidate. Very clear short. It retraced back 50%, then had a breakdown from 38%. Yesterday also failed to move above that. I think Maruti has a very clear target of 7,130. So this can be our trade of the day, guys. Today in the morning, when the market opens, we can look at Maruti as a candidate for short. That can be the one that we can look at. 11th of April, 11th of April is the first session of Pathfinders Success Club. Pathfinders Success. Please note the time of the session. It will be 6 in the morning. 6 to 7 in the morning would be the time. It will be every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. So the Success Club timings, please note. Every Wednesday, 6 to 7 a.m. Not p.m. 6 to 7 a.m. is Success Club. How many of you have already enrolled? I think a sizable number have already enrolled. How many of you already enrolled, guys, for the Success Club? Okay, a lot of you are there. So those who have not, do that. It will be published on the website on today is, I think, in a day or two. I'm planning to put it on the website here. So that is a club for people who want to achieve, success in their life on various levels. In fact, the session on 6th is on 11th is important because we'll be touching on the very basics. So this will not be me teaching you only. No, it will be a consensus-based club. We'll first define the process. We'll define the process of this one, and I will prefer to keep it in a meeting mode, not a webinar mode, so that we can see each other. So it will be in a meeting mode. So morning 6 o'clock, you have to be a little properly dressed to attend the meeting. So why 6 o'clock? Because that is the first test we pass through, that 4 times in a month we can get up early in the morning and prove that we are very serious towards having success in your life. Okay, that's Maruti. Then I haven't yet put it on the website, so for the moment you have to connect with my team to pay for it. Then another one somebody was asking is PFC. PFC, another stock which is weak, had a double bottom, moved up, and around this level, it is moving on the downward side here. 11th would be Monday. No, it's not Monday. Wednesday we have to do it. So date I'll do Wednesday, 16th it will be, not 11th. 16th, guys. 11th, sorry, my mistake. March, April, Wednesday, 13th. So we'll start with lucky 13 day. So 13th of April we are starting. It is 13th April. Not 11th April, it will be 13th April. I have purposely kept it Wednesday because since I'll be traveling out to various cities, sometimes I'm back on Monday night or even Tuesday. So Wednesday looks like and Wednesday is also the center of the week, right? In the middle of the week, we have a Wednesday. So Wednesday 6 to 7. That is the time for the Success Club. In addition to that, there will be complimentary sessions by the various experts. They will be on other days. I don't think experts will come 6 in the morning. 6 o'clock time is for me and you. And I'll try to arrange at least one or two extra sessions by experts. Like I'm already arranging a session on cryptocurrencies and the way they are. The by Dr. Karthik, which was already done at one location. Now he'll be doing it at a much bigger forum. Okay, let's look at Infosys. So Infosys, if you see, Infosys is continuously moving upside. Hardly anything has gone down, and this one also is forming a continuation pattern more on the verge of a breakout. So the patterns look very bullish for the moment. Patterns look pretty bullish. So let's see how the market moves from here. Okay, then Rajesh wants to know about NMDC. We look at NMDC here. Here. NMDC, another stock on the verge of a breakout. So we can keep an eye on this. So let's check out. If I put on Market Watch, NMDC and Maruti. So Maruti is more of a short trade and NMDC looks like more of a breakout trade. So that's how I will check out and see on this one. Have you seen the happiness on our face? That was amazing. Gale on breakout, Chanchal says a lot of breakout candidates. Gale on breakout. No, the Gale is not on breakout. See, breakout का pattern समझो ये breakout का pattern नहीं है. Nishit say, what a lavish spread. What a thali it was, Nishit. It was amazingly good here. So, this is not a breakout candidate. It is Kappa, but this is not breakout. Breakout would be when it starts touching this level. Then moves up from here. That would be. Vijay Balaji said, veg or non-veg? Pure veg. This was a pure veg thali. More questions coming on thali than stocks. NAG, Nagarjun, Bangalore, Kormangala. More or less, that's the kind. I think that was the place we went to. Roughly, so that's the thali. Salil said it is near my home, 1 kilometer. Salil, यही तो खानी थी हमको. पर चलो फिर हम लोगों ने सुशी खा ली. Nishit says SBI is also trying for a breakout. So let's look at breakout candidates. No, SBI is not a breakout. This is not a breakout pattern. This is Nishit. ये breakout का pattern नहीं. This is not a breakout pattern. Okay, I have a question by Prashad. March 31st, FNO 16,600 collies in loss of 11,000. What can be done to reduce loss or get into a small profit? What you can look for is when the market opens gap up today, and if a downward trend starts, you can take off the hedge and put a stop loss and remain into it till it goes down. But don't remove the hedge if it is in a uptrend. Now, Kaushik says ITC, there is a chance of ITC had really moved up. ITC had really moved up. Yeah, it is on a double top already, ITC, and double top would be more here, Kaushik. This would be, it is not a double top. If you see in ITC, it is a triple top. And this move is an operator move. There is definitely not a fundamental move. It is an operator move. And अब हमें पता नहीं ऑपरेटर्स को यहाँ तक लेके जाएगा या यहाँ तक लेके जाएगा. So I have heard rumors that the target might be about 320 for ITC. So there was one guy I was talking to, and I was in this party in Bangalore, and one of the persons, he was a institutional broker who trades for institutions, big orders. They said, no, what I've been told is that they want to take it till 320. So tell me, where will the technical work here? Okay, guys, that's from my side. I have a trading room at 9 o'clock. So I'll just prepare for that. And I wish all of you have a good day and all of you make good money. Bye-bye and see you soon.